Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna show you how to install Spotify on your PC, on Windows 10, of course. Yeah, let me show you guys. First you need to type in Spotify install and then press enter. Then you will see this and you need to press on this one. Free download for your platform, Spotify. Now you're gonna see this, and you need to choose choose Windows or Mac OS or Android. If you're on Windows, you are gonna choose Windows, and press on Windows and wait till this is downloaded, and open and wait. 20 seconds, 15 seconds, yeah, it's fast. 5 seconds and perfect. And now Spotify needs to install on your computer, so you need to wait. And yeah, now it's done. Thank you guys for watching. That was a little video to show you guys how to install Spotify on your computer. So yeah, see you in the next vid.